In today's fast-paced business environment, we see many companies taking shortcuts and sacrificing quality for price, and the lighting industry is no exception.
Paying less doesn't always work out in the long run, particularly in LED lighting. There's a lot of product that is coming in from overseas that is lower quality and less craftsmanship. The important consideration is long-term cost of ownership, building in reliability, and reducing long-term maintenance costs.
Fortunately, there are businesses in the lighting industry that are no longer sticking to the price over quality method. Many companies are sticking to the tried and true approach of quality, while simultaneously keeping jobs in America.
In the infancy of our company, we started working with Asia, had issues with delivery and quality control. We ended up bringing in some engineers who have factory automation equipment background and focused on building our products here. And as a result, we're able to control cost and deliver the customer a high quality product right here in the U.S.
Typically, LED lighting that's arriving from overseas has about a 6-week delivery time. That drives construction costs up. Because we manufacture here in the U.S. 100%, we're able to customize and deliver product to our customers within 2 weeks, saving them quite a bit of construction costs.
Dependability for decades is just one factor in production. Another crucial element to the success of a lighting technology is the construction and craftsmanship, which in the long run can impact the overall cost of ownership.
Innovative LED lights get people really excited because they last for 30 to 50 years. They don't require maintenance. Once you snap them into place, they're there and you don't have to worry about that. If you have multiple buildings, if you're a county or a municipality has lots of buildings, nursing homes, schools, central garages, things like that, if you can use LED lights that last 30 to 50 years, imagine the savings that you get from not having to send maintenance personnel out there.
Saving money initially and going for cheaper alternatives doesn't always equal more money in the long run. Business models are waking up to the importance of reliability and efficiency, while also keeping the consumer in mind and delivering premium products that keeps more money in everyone's pockets. While staring at a broken lighting component one day, Todd Hodrinsky thought to himself, there has to be a simpler solution to this common problem.
We were working in a lab with LEDs doing throughput tests early on, and every time we did a new device we had to come up with a new power supply. The reliability of the power supplies was a big problem for us, so we had the idea. I sat with the engineers and said they do this with Christmas tree lights. Is there a way that we can come up with a unique approach that would eliminate all the failure-prone components in the power supplies? And that's how the conversation started. And then from there we've developed out our product offering based on devices where the LED is the failure mode, no other component in the design is. So we're the only manufacturer that make that claim right now.
With these modifications, LiteSheet's products provide an immediate return through reduced energy consumption, with up to 80% in energy costs across the board.
When considering LED lighting, there's 4 things that you should really be considering. One is efficiency, reliability, flexibility, and of course total cost of ownership. LiteSheet's AC Direct LED technology offers superior advantages for all 4 of those. The AC Direct light engine has the highest efficiency in the industry, primarily because we eliminate the power supply, which takes 20 to 25% of the input power just for itself. That's completely eliminated. Reliability. LiteSheet offers the industry-leading 15-year warranty that is fully backed by Lloyd's of London. Number 3, flexibility. Our full product line offers both new installations of fixtures plus retrofit of existing fixtures. So depending on your specific needs, LiteSheet has a product that can meet that requirement. And 4, all of those things combined lead to the lowest total cost of ownership of our products in the industry.
LiteSheet is the type of company that wants to use local suppliers. They look locally first, then regionally, then at the state, and that's the kind of company we want to attract. They're also such an innovator. I mean, their product, these efficient, the world's most efficient lighting, how can you go wrong by bringing in a company like that to your county? In our county, I know our water authority is using the LED lights from LiteSheet, and they have really seen a great return. They have better, the electricity costs are way lower, and they don't have to change the lights ever so far. I mean, at least in their lifetime, right? Our Economic Development Authority owns a facility that they lease to a fabrication company, and they had a lighting situation, and the company was asking for us to come up with a solution. We ran the ROI numbers, and we found that just in a few short years we would make our return on our investment with less maintenance of those lights, but also the company would save a lot of money with their electricity costs. So now they want us to do the other part of their building. We did one part, now they want us to do the other.
LiteSheet has reimagined a power source and made it slimmer and lighter with a carbon footprint that is a small fraction of that of the older and bulkier fixtures that have a larger power source.
So dimming in the LED space is a really big problem. Typically, if you're using a residential product with a incandescent dimmer, you have to derate the dimmer power output based on using the power supply, and when you hook them up, they don't always interact well together. So we took a whole new approach. Everything we do is based on what the market need is, not what our engineers think the market needs. And we've developed some simple dimming technology that uses the existing building infrastructure. In an environment like a factory, you have to pull low volt wire, and no one wants to adopt LED to have to rewire their building. Our technology allows you not to do that. So you don't have to do any wiring infrastructure changes to get things like wireless control systems, building automation, and robotic control of the fixtures. Ours is agnostic. We can operate within any structure and very quick to install.
LiteSheet Technologies will continue to advance the state of art in LED lighting. In the future, all LED lighting is going to be AC direct, eliminating the unreliable power supply. In addition to that, all lighting will have smart controls, and LiteSheet solutions will be on the forefront of that. We have patent-pending technology that enables full control of lighting, interfacing it across cityscapes, completely RF silent, enabling you to control or capture data from any light in any setting.
By implementing brilliance through simplicity, LiteSheet will continue to remain the future of lighting. To learn more, visit us online at litesheet.com.